Hello guys, I'm Paul. I'll be your maths online tutor. I'll take you through polygons. But before we start on polygons, I want to take you through definition of polygon. A polygon is a two-dimensional geometric figure with a straight sides. I've developed a table. Table consists of here we have number of sides, which is denoted by n. Number of sides in polygon is denoted by n. The number of triangles is n minus 1. Remember, n is the number of sides, so we write number of sides here minus 2. Then we have another column. We have sum of interior angles, which is n minus 2 in bracket times 180 degrees. Then we will deduce the name of the polygon. Guys, according to our definition of a polygon, it was a two-dimensional geometric figure with straight sides. A straight side will have with a minimum of three-sided figure, which is with three sides. N is 3. We start with a three-sided figure, number 3, and then when we come to number of triangle is n minus 2, while here n was 3, so it will be 3 minus 2, which will be 1, which means it will be 1. When you come to sum of interior angles, it will be n. Our n was 3 minus 2 180. This will be 1 times 180, which will be 180 degrees. Okay. Name of the polygon. A polygon which has three-side figure, it's triangle. Let's go to 4. Number of sides, let's write 4. 4. Number of triangle is n minus 2. Our n is 4. 4 minus 2, it will be 2. So the number of triangle here will be 2. Then sum of interior angle, according to our formula, it was n minus 2, and our n here was 4, so it will be 4 minus 2 into 180. It will be 2 times 180, which will be 360 degrees. And a four-sided figure, it's called quadrilateral. Let's go to 5. 5. How do we get a number of triangles here? Number of triangle, how do we get it? We'll minus 5, which is the n, minus 2. It will give us 5 minus 2, it will give us 3. It has 3 triangles. Then here, sum of interior angles. How will we get it? Sum of interior angles, we have n, which is 5 minus 2 180. It will be 3 times 180, which 3 by 180, which will give us 540 degrees. Then deduce the name of the polygon. A five-sided figure. A five-sided figure is a pentagon. Let's go to the 6th one. 6th one, let's write 6 here. 6. Number of sides here will be 6. Then number of triangle, how do we get number of triangle? N minus 2. Our n here is 6. 6 minus 2 will be 4. Okay, I think we're together here. How do we get the sum of the interior angle of this polygon, of the six-sided polygon, six-sided figure? Six-sided figure, it will be 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, it will be 4 times 180, which will give us, let's calculate, 4 times 180, it will give us 720 degrees. A six-sided figure is called hexagon. Hexagon. Guys, let's go to seven-sided figure. Seven-sided figure, how do we get the number of triangle? It's n minus 2. Our n here is 7. 7 minus 2, it will be 5. So we write 5 here. Then how do we get the sum of the interior angle? It's n minus 2 times 180. N minus 2, n, our n here is 7. Then it will be 7 minus 2 times 180. 7 minus 2, it will be 5. 5 times 180. Let's calculate. Let's use our calculator. 5 times 180, it will be 900. So 900 degrees. And how deduce the name of the polygon? A seven-sided figure, it's called heptagon. Heptagon. That's our seven-sided figure is called. Guys, let's go to the eighth one. Eight-sided figure. Eight-sided figure, how do we get the number of triangle? Number of triangles is n minus 2. And according to our n is number of sides, so it will be 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is it's 6. It's 6. So the number of triangle of an eight-sided figure is 6. Then how do we get the sum of interior angle? Sum of interior angle, according to here, we said it's n minus 2 times 180. N minus 2, n is here, is our number of side. Number of side is 8 minus 2 times 180. 8 minus 2, it will give us 6. 6 times 180. Let's calculate. 6 times 180, it will give us 1080. 1080, it will give us 1080 degrees. 1080 degrees. Then deduce the name of the polygon. An eight-sided figure, it's called octagon. Octagon. Let's go to the nine-sided figure. How do we get the number of triangle? Number of triangle is n minus 2. N minus 2, and our n here is 9. 9 minus 2, it will be 7. Then how do we get the sum of interior angle? Sum of interior angle is n minus 2, and which is 9 minus 2 times 180. 9 minus 2, it will be 7 by 180. Let's calculate 7 by 180. 7 by 180, it will give us 1260 degrees. How do we call a nine-sided figure? Deduce the name of the polygon. Nine-sided figure. Nine-sided figure is it's deduced nonagon. Let's go to 10-sided figure. 10-sided figure. How do we get the number of triangle there in a 10-sided figure? It's n minus 2, and our n here is 10. 10 minus 2 will be 8. It will be 8. And how do we get the sum of the interior angle? N minus 2 times 108. Our n here is 10 minus 2 times 180. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 times 180. Calculate that. Let's calculate it together. 8 times 180. It will be 1440. 1440. Let's write it 1440 degrees. Deduce the name of that polygon. 10-sided figure. 10-sided figure, it's a decagon. Decagon. Okay guys, according to our syllabus, according to our level, that's will reach only 10. That's all you need to know about the polygons. The number of sides, how to get the number of sides, number of triangle, how to deduce the name, how to get the sum of interior angles. That's all you need to know. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel and like.